All right, we are jumping a Sierra GMC truck, a Duramax GMC with a Yukon XL. We hooked up the red first to this little switch box. We moved it over and then hooked it up into a thing in there. And then we came over here to the same box, then hooked up the red. You had to slide this over to be able to access that. Then we came back over here and we hooked up the black thing to this one. Then we came back over here and hooked the black one over here. We do it in that process because that's what you're supposed to do. So that's what we did. This on the truck, it's a metal thing, a little metal rod and towards the front of the car. Whereas with the Yukon, that rod is actually to the left, the battery. So now I'm just gonna go start this car and let it start charging that car. You just turn on the car and you're red. You just let it run for a bit and then you can rev the engine, give it extra power. You're staying in park the entire time, not driving obviously, and you're not in neutral. So we're just gonna let it have the battery transfer, in this car, transfer energy over to that car for a few minutes. Okay, so it's been running for a bit, so now we're gonna go to the truck and try and start that. We're leaving this on. So this is running. I haven't turned this one on yet. Now, let's start this one. Looks like we need to get more juice. It's turning on, but not all the way. So I need to let it sit and charge a little bit more. So this is turning on, but it's not actually starting. So I need to give it a little bit more time to charge. While charging, you can rev the engine to 2 to 3 RPMs to help the charging process along, like this. And again, I'm just in park and I have my foot's on the gas, just revving it to help charge it as it's connected. Okay, so we've given this time to charge again. Now we're gonna go back to the car, the truck, leaving this running. All right, started. Yes! Back in business. So now we're gonna leave this on. I'm gonna go take it for a drive so it can charge the battery some more. So I'm gonna use the help of my son to take it off. We're just gonna grab red and black and take them both off at the same time. So just make sure that they don't touch each other. Keep them separated is what we're gonna do. You can do it by yourself, but I would rather do it with him. You ready? We're gonna do black and red.